Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a simple boom and crash strategy that you can use to milk the market. Alright, now without wasting much of our time, I'm going to first of all share with you the setting for this strategy, and then I'll explain how the strategy works. Alright, so now the first thing we have to do here is to click on this icon here. So after clicking on the icon, you can see here that our first indicator is the Bollinger Band. Alright, now before you add the Bollinger Band, you click on this icon here. So you search and add the Bollinger Band. Now you can see these are the parameters. The period here is 34, the deviation 1.619, the shift is 0, the applied to is close. Under the style we have 4 pixels, the color is green, but you can use any other color of your choice. So after that, you click on save. Right now you click on this icon again, and then you search for the relative strength index. Right now, as you all know, the relative strength index, we are going to be using it for our levels. Alright, so you can see the period here is 1, the applied to is open, the style 1 pixel, the color is the color of your background. Now the levels, we are going to use the 15 and 85. Right, the pixel is 2 and the color is black. Right, so after that, you go back and then you click on save. The relative strength index will be added, and you will see something like this. The indicator window 1 will be formed. Right, so this icon here, the second icon, is the one you are going to be clicking before you add the Ichimoku. Alright, so you click on that one and then you search for the Ichimoku. You click on it. Now you can see these are the parameters. Right, so you set this to 9, 9 and 9. Right, you make this, you fill it. Right, and then under the style, you make this and this 4 pixel. The color should be black or any other color of your choice. Alright, then the remaining 3 here is going to be white, 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 and the pixel, you make it 1, 1 and 1. Right, so after that, you are done, and then you click on save. Right, you go back, you are going to have a screen like this. Alright, you're going to have something like this if you did everything correctly. Now the way the strategy works is that, first of all, you are going to allow spike to occur. So whenever there is a spike and you see that the on the indicator window, see that the Ichimoku black line is now touching the 85. Right, note it must touch the 85. When you see that it has start touching the 85, and then on the main chart, you are going to see that maybe that spike has broken above the Bollinger Band. Alright, it has broke out of the Bollinger Band. Right, so now what you are going to do now is to wait for it to close back into that in that Bollinger Band. Alright, once you see that candle close in that Bollinger Band, you wait for the next candle to form. After that next candle form, then let's say the third one is the one you will be taking your entry from. Alright, and you have to take 4 candles, you are out. Alright, take 4 candles, you are out. You don't need to stay more than 4 candles. You have to take 4 candles. Now you can see here again, here's another example. So once you see that the Bollinger Band is the Ichimoku is now touching the 85, you check, you check on the main chart, you see that the spike has broken out of the Bollinger Band. Alright, you are going to be waiting for it to close back in. So once it closes back in, you take your 4 candles and you are out. Alright, you take your 4 candles and you are out. Alright, same method applies on crash. Right, but you are going to be doing the opposite on crash. Right, you are going to be doing the opposite on crash. So you make sure it's touching the 15 level on crash, like you can see here now. You can see the Ichimoku black line here was touching the 15 level, and here on the main chart, you see you wait for it to close in. You wait for it to close back in the Bollinger Band, and then you take your 4 candles. Right, take your 4 candles and you are out. Right, The strategy is as simple as ABCD, right? Very simple to understand, right? So you make sure you apply all the condition I've given here, and you are going to be safe, right? Make sure you follow the conditions I've given, and you are going to be safe. Alright, so now I've shown you how the strategy work. It's left for you now to go and backtest the strategy. Alright, you can trade it for like 2 weeks, or you can backtest it and then see if it's working. Then that is when you go in with your real money. Alright, so that is pretty much everything I have for you guys. For the zoom level, you zoom out completely and then you zoom in twice. Alright, that is the zoom level. Alright, so I'm going to be ending the video right here now. So if you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please do make sure you smash that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you are going to be notified immediately. Thanks for watching. Silver out.